Fast charge and sync. Premium copper wire core ensures fast charging with max 12W output and data transfer at 480 megabits per second. High-efficient charging cables get your device's full power as soon as possible. Reliable material. Features excellent pull-resistant thickened jacket. The Lightning charger is more durable and sturdy. The corrosion-resistant slim connector can stand daily wear and has a long lifespan. 2Pack 3FT comes with 2-pack Lightning cable with classic white color, so you have spare cables in case of forgetting or charge two devices simultaneously. 3 feet length is perfect for travel and charging on the road. Safe iPhone charger. Designed with smart protection for battery and offers stable charging voltage, the charging cable will start trickle mode once the electric quantity reaches 90%. Wide compatibility. The iPhone charger cable is universally compatible with all devices with Lightning charging port, such as iPhone 12 December 13 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 11 11 Pro, XS, XR, 8 Plus, 7 7 Plus, 6 6 Plus, 6s, 6s Plus, etc. Top reviews from the United States. Great cables. Worked good and appears to be of high quality. Would buy again if needed in future.